Hey guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Today I'm going to give you a walkthrough of my blank mini albums. So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to share with you a walkthrough of the January blank mini album for my mini album subscription club. So if you're not familiar with my channel, every month I create a blank book and I ship it to you, and you get to just enjoy all the fun of decorating the books. And I always have a lot of fun creating a new design for you. I'm already currently designing the book for February, but these are the January books, and these are going to be available if you want to subscribe to my mini album club until January 20th. It's the last day, and then I'll have enough time to ship those to you. So this is the first batch. Currently working on the second batch, and I will be after that working on new orders as well. So I'll have the link below if you guys are interested in that, but I still wanted to do a walkthrough, and I think I'm also going to be having a tutorial for this book coming up soon because I just love how this turned out. I'm in love with the page designs. I think this is super fun and also really quick and easy to make. So let's take a look. So these books measure 8 by 8 and they have a 3-inch spine, and they have 5 signatures for a total of 12 pages. And the reason why I wanted to do 12 pages is because I want this book to be basically a calendar album. So I want each one of the pages, including the inside covers, to be 1 month of the year. I think that will be a really fun idea to document a little bit of each month, and then you can have one book for 2025 to look back on. And also a lot of you like doing baby books, so this would also be a really fun 12-month baby book if you are into, if you have little ones around you. And so let's go ahead and take a look inside. So on the first cover, in the inside cover, we just have a really simple flap page here. So this really maximizes all your space for pictures, collages, and things like that. And then over here we have the first page. This opens up like this. Then the next page is an accordion fold, so this opens like that. The third page over here we have a flap, so I wanted this to kind of look like an envelope page a little bit, so this opens up. And then we have a double opening page, and then this whole thing also opens down, so a lot of room for pictures on that layout. This next layout is just a little flap and then a pocket here on the side. And then for this next page we have the gatefold page that I also always love to add here, and then this opens up like this. And then on this next page we have a basically a belly band, so you can add a picture here on this belly band, and this is a pocket, so, or a flap on this pocket to keep everything on this belly band from falling. And then you can add magnets. I'll probably do a video decorating my book, and so you guys can have an idea of how I'm gonna be dressing this up. Then on this next page, this opens up to the side, and then this is a little accordion fold that opens up, and then another large flap that opens down. So again, lots of room for pictures. On this next page we just have one little flap, and these type of pages are really good opportunities for you to add, like if you wanted to add a pop-up or a 3D page and dress the book, add more of your personal touches as well. On this next page we have a sliding page, which are now one of my favorite signature pages to add. And then on this back page we have another large opening flap, and on the inside back cover, another large flap here as well. So tons of room for pictures on this book, and this was really fun to make. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see a step-by-step tutorial on making this book here, and also check out my website if you want to be part of my mini album subscription club. I do make all of these books by hand myself, and I just love making them. It's so relaxing, and I'm having tons of fun creating the design and working on the books. It's just one of my favorite things to do on the month now. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.